Banggit pa lang ang salitang biringan ang mga taga.
You know what? This is a building in Burian City, for the Bible, o spiritual of the dark. At wala naman tayong record sa government na ang Philippines ay may ganyan city. Yan ay demonic spiritual option of earth. Our creature. Alam mo naman kapangyarihan na Satanas kayang gayahin lahat. Dito lang sa mundong ibabaw kasi was thinking about the died of people and this war of nation na kung ano-ano nakikita nating rupture o alam mo naman natin ang Philippines mysterious city. Andito lahat nagaganap yung mga evil countries. First Wong, Dem Spirit, anting-anting, etc. of the demonic healing power. Isang kalukuhan to. Nakikita nyo ay mga ano yan, mga demonic yan. Yan ay
kung makikita mo yung ganong kalaking mata, so ano kaya ang katawan ng isang
yung mga kugtong fishes as a monster out of the earth, the creature before the earth na hindi pa kasama sila sa paglikha ng mga tao, but the meanings of the mermaid or anything to evil animals. But I don't ignore because the world is really changes for images to the end time about the Christ. I don't ignoring but also is pray because this is word, this metal material word is not powerful against happen. Kugtong is animals, mga animals ng mga ano yan, mga masasamang espiritu.
Beach sa bayan ng Tingloy sa Batangas. Kilala dahil sa mali.
You know what? To listen careful to our video and history in the Philippines International about the creature of the devil. That's what and I believe you Christ, to our ignoring to the discovered because camera is very high to shut our creature or something people photography for anything to condolence bunker did our history before edited the video before the upload. Pag kayo nakakuha ng mga camera o mga quote na picture na hindi normal, wag nyo itong ipagalaw sa mga expert or what anything to about mayroon tayong mga psychic, may mga spiritual tayo ng mga tao pwede lapitan para malaman yan kasi hindi yan nalalaman ng mga whatever the scientist or doctor because different rule the world about this.